Welcome to Toolkit.law, your all-in-one legal productivity platform. From the homepage, click on Tools, then head to our App Store. Here's where you'll unlock the full power of Toolkit.law. In the overview accordion, you'll find everything you need to start working smarter. Download the Toolkit.law app for Android, iOS, iPadOS, macOS, or Windows, or use it directly in your browser, including Chrome, Edge, Safari, Firefox, and Opera. You'll also discover the Toolkit.law Assistant, our browser and software extension that integrates with Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, Zoom, Slack, Dropbox, and even smartwatches like Apple Watch and Google Wear OS. It brings Toolkit.law's tools right where you already work. Whether you're in court, at the office, or on the go, Toolkit.law keeps your practice streamlined and connected across 35+ platforms. Explore, download, and take control of your legal tech today. Visit our website and open the App Store.